Welcome to this Learn the Tech for Everyone, and basically on this video we'll talk about the battery life and the battery options in iOS 13 on iPhones. So what is interesting, of course, as we move on to newer versions of iOS, they finally made the battery usage in phones a more intelligent and automatic process. Gone are the days where the iPhone would actually slow down by itself because the battery was not as good, and now you have options where you can actually see where the battery is all about in the iPhones. Simply go to your settings, and once in your settings you will actually have battery. It's just above privacy. Go here and you will see the battery level. You will see the battery health information that you can click, and it will say that maximum capacity. What is it? It's at 96% right now. So this iPhone 10, being a little older, has lost a little bit of capacity. It says then you have, of course, optimized battery charging, peak performance capacity. So this is another option where you actually have the normal peak of performance, and as you go ahead and as the battery will actually slowly decay, you'll have more options available to you to optimize the performance level. And of course, you can check out the battery health. You can check out which apps have been using the batteries the most, and it's really nice to see all these different options here. Also, low power mode. If you are going to use your phone for an extended period of time, and you know that you won't be able to plug in, you won't be able to recharge that phone in pretty soon, well, you can put it in low power mode, and what this does will change the background lighting. It will change, also lower some of the apps that were running in the background. Some services will be turned off. This will greatly extend your battery in case where you really need to have a very long battery usage on your phone. So nice new options, and it's fun to see that they also have that new battery option where you can see how what's the performance of your battery basically. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.